Hello, Namaste, Jai Sai Narayan. Welcome back to my channel, Deep's Home Life, and hope you are doing well. Today's recipe is about broccoli rice. So let's start. Before that, if you are new here, please do subscribe my channel and press bell icon to get notification. So let's start this recipe. For that, you will need a broccoli, cooked rice, olive oil, butter, milk, cheese, red chili flakes, black pepper powder, salt to taste, and oregano. That's it. Now let's see how to make it this recipe. Heat pan or wok, add 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1 tablespoon butter, and add freshly chopped broccoli. Saute for a few minutes until broccoli turns little softens. Now add 1 teaspoon red chili flakes, 1 teaspoon black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon oregano, and salt to taste. Roast it all again. Now on this stage, low heat and 1 cup add milk and let it cook for more until most of the milk are soft. Now at this stage, add 2 cup cooked rice and mix it well all together nicely. And lastly, add some lots of cheese and mix rice again until cheese melts. Serve immediately hot and enjoy. Hope you like it and thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and comment. See you soon again and till then take care. Bye. Annyeong.